This is Wise Money in 60. I'm Cynthia DeFazio. This is Joe Wilson. Variable annuities, yuck.
Yuck indeed. Variable annuities are sold a lot of times in the wirehouses. The whole plan is to have guaranteed income. Here's the issue. They are loaded, Cynthia, with nasty fees. We are looking at variable annuities. We play a game called Call the Company. We're talking 3.5%, 3.75%, 4% a year. Guaranteeing income, but here's the thing. The value is not guaranteed. It can go down. So you're paying, we've seen people pay $50,000 to get $70,000 a year of income. It doesn't make sense. There's so many more efficient ways to get retirement guaranteed income versus a loaded down fee variable annuity. If you have a variable annuity, you know someone, yuck, get out of it.
Yuck. Ugh. And that's Wise Money in 60.